beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is you versus them for Pisces. Yes friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, or you know a Pisces, this reading is for you friends. And please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot friends. Please do subscribe, like and share, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Also friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way friends. Oh my god, cards are flying. Also friends, you can join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. Friends, this you can watch this for any astrology. You keep asking this question, so I have told you, like any astrology, by sun sign, moon sign, rising sign. If this is in Pisces or you know a Pisces, you can watch this reading. So let us see Pisces, how you are feeling. Ooh, lovers, wow, you have a choice in love. You are feeling very, very emotional, Pisces. That was quick, huh? So how is Pisces feeling? You're feeling a lot of spiritual love, connection. If you are single, you are feeling, you are aching for this lover, this twin flame, past lives. Yeah, you feel a very, very deep connection, you know. You are feeling a very deep connection. You could be thinking about the past issues or what happened or how connected you feel with someone, Pisces. Let's see what is happening with your person. What is happening with your person, angels? What's happening with their person? Okay, maturity, the Ace of Pentacles. Wow, they are focusing on their work, on self-nurturing themselves. They are focusing on a new start with you. What's happening with their person? They could be a student, or they could be studying, or you both could be studying. And the Four of Pentacles. Oh my god, this person wants a new start with you, but they are so stuck, you know. They can't let you go. They cannot come towards you. They can't let you go. And you feel so much love, so much affection for this person. You absolutely adore this person, Pisces. I feel like you feel like this person is perfect and equal match for you, or your mirror. You feel like you have known them all your life, or you share a very strong past life connection with them. You definitely feel very attracted to this person. This person, I feel, is trying to focus on their work right now. They are trying to build themselves. I feel this person is either young, or they are going through some financial issues. So maybe that's why it is coming like they have financial issues. So it may look like young people usually are building their finances, right? I feel this person is also trying to appear more confident and bold than they actually are. I feel this person is trying to not let you go. They are trying to not lose everything. You can see like there are so many golds. This person, gold, jewels, this person is trying to hold on to, if you can see the card clearly. I think they are trying to not reveal too much right now, even though they feel very passionate. So if this is a new connection, this person might be keeping very quiet or playing it very soft or casual. So you feel like you feel a lot of love for them. So okay, this wants to break through. See, this person wants a breakthrough with you. That's what they want. They feel stuck in some pattern or in some relationship. I feel this person could be away from you, in no contact, or in a different city. There is also, I feel, an age gap between you and them. I feel this person wants to break everything that's keeping them apart from you. This person wants change. They want to be with you. They want this new start. They also want, if work is keeping them away from you, they want to come towards you. So what Pisces want to happen in this connection? Let's see. What Pisces want in this connection to happen? What Pisces want in this connection to happen? Okay, all right. Intensity, new vision, that's interesting. Postponent, Four of Swords. Wow, I think you have some sort of a choice also, Pisces, like there is other someone else. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or I feel like a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel like you could be dealing with a fire sign or an earth sign, or you could be having some choice. I think you want this connection to develop ahead. You want to see them in a new way, or some of you, I feel like you definitely are waiting for this person to make a move towards you, or you are waiting for to see what this person will actually do for you. Like, will they make a move? Will they commit? How much they value you? You are waiting and watching what this person is going to do. I think you are stalking their social media, keeping an eye on them. You definitely feel very attracted towards them, very very attracted, very love. You feel very drawn. You feel very drawn, but you want a new start. But you are not in a hurry to start this connection. You want them to do the work, or whether they are ready or not. I also feel you may be having another connection or someone from your past coming back, or right now you may be thinking about this person and keeping a wait and watch approach. Okay, so what this person wants to happen in this connection, let's see that. Okay, I have some cards. Oh my god, the cards are flying for you, Pisces. I don't think so you or this person are relaxed at all. They are very, see, your cards are flying everywhere. This is interesting. Even before I've asked the question, they are starting to fly. Angels, what this? I think this person is very anxious. They are very excited. What this person wants to happen in this connection with Pisces, what they want to happen in this connection with Pisces. Okay, flowering, existence, and slowing down. See, you both are mirroring your each other's energies. The slow down. They will also be taking a wait and watch approach. You are focusing on yourself and a new start on this connection. They are also focusing on themselves, their career, and also at the same time a new start with you. You are focusing on your self-love, well-being, perhaps a new person. I think they are also trying to make you fall in love towards, they are also trying to attract you like a peacock attracts the peahen. They are trying to attract you. So they definitely want things to move ahead in this connection. They want things to move ahead. If you are not in contact, they want to call you. I think they want to meet you, not just call you. They want to meet you and see face to face, have a discussion with you. They want to tell you that you are doing very well, and I think you are very successful in your career, Pisces, or you have recently done something nice in your career or education. So they want to compliment you, and they will also be taking slow and steady steps. I do not see them run. They want to run, but they will be taking a little cautious steps. I think you will also be waiting and watching what this person is going to do. You are definitely eyeing their social media, stalking them. So let's see what will actually happen in this connection. Let's see that. What will actually happen? Ooh, my god. So I'll take the one that's dropped. Rebirth. See, this connection I feel is quite solid and quite deep in foundations. There is a chance of a rebirth. 10 of Swords is here. Something needs to end in this connection, like a past life pattern or maybe a block. I think like you both withdraw in your shells and nobody talks, or nobody talks with anybody. I don't know what's going on, but something is keeping you both apart. You both are like taking slow approaches. Nobody wants to rush in or hurry in this connection. So what will happen ahead for Pisces and this person? Both the cards came out. Healing will happen, courage, and a rebirth. So I feel like if you both take a chance upon each other, there is a potential of things getting better in this connection, and healing of your hearts happening, a lot of happiness coming your way. I definitely see that a rebirth can happen between you and this connection, but before that, something of the past needs to end. I definitely see that either you have a choice in love or they have a choice in love, but you still feel very drawn to each other, like magnets, you are drawn to each other. But a rebirth is definitely coming for you, a new start is coming for you. You both need to heal each other and see things emotionally, and be emotionally open. And if you both take courage and stay open and talk with each other, things will definitely get better for you. Anything else, that any advice for this connection for Pisces? Okay, innocence and the creator. I think you should keep focusing on yourself, keep working on is your potential, and keep this faith, keep the faith that this connection will work out. See, I feel you both need to keep your awareness very high, stay focused, keep visualizing, keep manifesting. That's what I'm getting, that's the advice. And some past issues, or maybe some past connections, maybe family is affecting your relationship, so you need to let them go, or give those people some space away from your relationship, and you need to focus on the love and the passion in this connection. I think sometimes you feel this is just a passionate connection because there is so much of passion in this connection. So you need to balance the emotions and the passion in this connection. This is beautiful. Let's see your romance angels messages. Oh, this is actually beautiful. Let me just see what's blocking your connection, because I feel there is something blocking this connection. See, compromise. And sorry friends, I dropped a card. Integration. Wow, this is definitely a twin flame connection, or there is some imbalance between the emotions and the passions. I think you both had been fighting about some things or some issues, or there is like this person is like focusing on their work and career, so they are not taking the time to be with you. I think you both need to compromise a little. There needs to be a compromise that will help you and this connection. You both need to balance your emotions and passions, and choose this relationship. That needs to happen. A compromise is necessary, because this connection is so beautiful. I don't know why you will not even compromise with this person, or they are not trying. I think this person is a little resistant. They are resisting to come towards you, they are resisting to make a move towards you. So that is the problem. You both need to compromise, and if you both do that, it will be a fantastic new beginning and meeting of the hearts, and the passions will be reignited. You could be twin flames for sure. Let's see what is the romance angels message for Pisces. Wow, playfulness to recapture romance. Allow your inner youthful spirit of joy to shine through. Definitely, friends. I think you are focusing on all the big issues, what people are saying, how different your culture, religion, whatever separates you, or whatever past. There's a lot of, maybe this is like you know them in 10 years back, and now you are reuniting, or you want to reconnect with this person. I think being happy, being playful will make you and both this person fall in love again with each other, and help to get things back on track. And pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. I feel like, there could be the issue of commitment. You may be wanting this person to commit or something, but they are trying to be very playful, they are not committing. So you need to also decide what are your priorities, what do you really need, and you have to ask questions with this person. If you really want marriage and they are not committing, or their families are not saying yes, I do see like you need to have a sit and have a talk, face to face talk with this person. For others, I feel there is a need to compromise or find a middle ground, and not to fight and argue, but to be playful about this connection, and to balance, balance this connection. Red flags could also be like family, friends, or gossip, or external issues interfering this connection. Don't let that happen. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.